Is the Trust 101 McCaig Mastery Edition Trust legal and hasn't been defended in court, right? Of course it's legal. We went over that. And it's like, what happens in court? Has it been defended in court? I get that question a lot. Has it been defended in court though? No. No, it's a completely legal entity. Doesn't need to be defended or brought to court. There's nothing, I don't do anything illegal, okay? So there's no reason to bring this trust or any of our clients' trust to court. You're just, you know, operating financially, have a bank account, use debit cards, credit cards, what have you. You're not doing anything illegal, okay? So there's no reason that anyone has gone to court ever over this trust. Why would anyone? Let's be real, okay? Now, I'm completely available and viewable. I put out, YouTube videos. My trust is registered at the Secretary of State in Florida and has a, business credit profile that's fabulous. Um, I'm online on a website. I make videos. I'm not hiding in any way, shape, or form from anything. This is completely legal, completely legitimate. So there's no reason anyone hasn't gone to court, and no one will be going to court over this trust. So, yeah, great question, but no. And it hasn't been defended in court. It's not going to be defended in court. Fantastic, right? Isn't that great? Yeah, it's just great. Okay. Look forward to helping you.